Hello everyone, in this short video today I'm going to show you how we send cold email campaigns. And as you can see, I have already my lead list sorted here, and these are very targeted high intent based leads. So we just have 27 leads here, but these are very custom, very high intent and high qualified lead for our campaigns. So what do? We'll download this sheet from here. So we go to download and download comma separated value CSV file. And after we get the download done, then we go to our campaigns in our ManyReach sections. We'll go to campaigns, then we'll go to create campaign. And let me just put the exact date and lead list name as the campaign name here. So once I create the campaign, I have to upload the list on my campaign. So I will upload the CSV that I have generated down. So let me go to my CSV file, and then I will not import everything. I'll just import the email as email required, and then I will just import this email body and email subject for this campaign only. So email body is going to be custom value 2, email subject is going to be custom value 1 for us. Now I will import these, close. Now I'll go back, and then I will check the prospect list. So yeah, I have all the prospect here. I'll go back on the steps, and I will use the custom value here, and let me just show you how we do it on ManyReach. So I go to campaigns, then I go to my previous campaigns to show you that how it actually works. So steps, then as you can see, we have to just like get these custom values, and you can store all these custom values, and then you can just use it on your campaigns. So I will go to my campaigns here, the new one. I will select the custom value 1 here and custom value 2. So preview and test. Yeah, I got all the previews here, perfectly working. Yeah, everything is working fine for this campaign. So the campaign is actually set. So let me go to the settings, and this is a very small campaign, so I don't need to worry about anything else. I just go to the senders per sender. So I'll select all the senders, so just to show you that it will be, this cold email will be sent within minutes, because we just have very few leads here. Now if we want to know more about how we extract our leads and how we use the leads to send all our campaigns, then I can comment on this video. If I think that people are interested on the topic, I will do that. As you can see, I have all my custom values and everything is set up, because this sheet that we follow here, we also use for Facebook outreach, WhatsApp outreach, and email outreach as well. As you can see, email subject, email body, these are all personalized text based on the client criteria and intent, and based on our qualifications. So if you need more support on these, like how we do it, then I can definitely help you with the prompts and everything. And these are all free, by the way. We do not pay for this kind of customizations. These are all free. But yeah, we do a little bit of qualification on the lead size. But yeah, I have added 10 domains here, mail domain, and let me add 12. That would be working fine for me, and I don't need to do anything else. I just go down there, enable ESP matching, and yeah, nothing else for me. I will just start the campaign, and the campaign is up and running right now. If I go to my senders, you will see all my senders are warmed up properly, and these are already working in the campaigns. So if I go to my campaign sections, you will see that a new campaign is running, And yeah, these are so far good enough. So in most cases, what I do after I generate leads, I also verify them with email million verifier. I have a million verifier subscriptions and credits as well, so which I'll share in another video. But if you need a very detail oriented video how to send campaigns from ManyReach to like your prospects, this is the shortest video I make. And you see, I did everything live, and it took just near about 5 minutes. Thank you.